Hey guys, this is Amanda with ESP Truck Accessories. Today we are going to be installing the ESP rear lockable storage unit. Today we will be needing an electric screwdriver with a Phillips bit, a number 4 Allen wrench, a 15 32nd drill bit, and the items we will be providing is a jack nut wrench and then a bag of hardware to secure the storage unit to the cab. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to do first is you're going to unclip the tools that come with the jack. You're going to take those completely out. You're going to unclip the jack. And then you also have to loosen it. And that way you could just pull it right out. Be sure to take the extra clips out. Now we're going to take the clips out. Okay. Once you've removed the plastic clips, you are going to remove the unit. Next, you're going to grab your drill with your 15 32nd drill bit, and you're going to drill these 5 holes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Be sure to give it a little bit of pressure, and also when you're finished drilling, you want to go through and vacuum all the metal shavings out of the cab of your truck.
Okay, now we're going to install the jack nuts. We're going to use the 5 holes that we previously drilled. We've marked them, drill, 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 and then we're going to put the jack nuts in here. How you install the jack nut is you take the wrench, put the screw into the bigger hole where it's angled up, and then install the jack nut on the bottom end. Make sure it's tight at the bottom so it's snug, and then you pop it into the hole as such. Then you start tightening the jack nut. And this one is giving us a problem, so we're going to actually need to use a pair of pliers. So on this one, you're going to take and hold the end of the jack nut to keep it from turning, and then start tightening the screw. It is going to be a little tight, so what you're going to do is tighten it all the way down until it's snug. You'll know because the jack nut wrench stops to move in the holder there. Now it's tight. You can tell by just hearing the crack. So see here, this is tight. Now just take the screw back out. and you're done. And do this for all 5 holes, and that's it. And then we move on to the clips in the front.
Once you've installed the jack nuts, you're going to take your clips and you're going to install it in these 4 holes. Make sure the threaded part goes downwards. Then you're going to grab your ESP rear underseat storage unit and you're going to set it in place. Okay. So now that you have your unit, you're going to take your jack accessory clip that is right here and you're going to feed it through the bottom hole of the Tacoma unit. And it'll fit nice and snug to the cab of your truck. All right, now once you've dropped in your storage unit, you need to line up all 4 of the holes with the clips and drop in the screws. Now to get to the rear screws, you need to remove the lids, which we've already started for you. Now make sure when you're removing the screws or the nuts, you need to loosen them and make sure that they do not fall down the hole. Now for the rear holes, you may need to move the unit back and forth to line up the holes for the screws. Now that at this point, you can go ahead and tighten them down. All right, so now you will need your wrench, your number 8 metric wrench, and you'll need to put on the lid. Now, once you have your jack and your jack tools in, you can go ahead and lock it up. Thank you for your purchase. We really hope you enjoy the product. Be sure to visit us at esptruck.com for new and upcoming products.